Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Replit and creating a Python project. Choose a modern runtime. Next, add Harry's code or pip package into the project workspace because you need those modules available immediately. Once done, create a concise requirements. txd or runpip installs in the shell so dependencies resolve. Make sure main, py or app. Py is present and points to Harry's entry function. This prevents runtime surprises later, and it gets you into the first actionable run quickly. Now you configure Harry's runtime behavior using environment variables and a concise config file. This isolates secrets and toggles features. Then, in main, py import Harry and initialize it with your settings, connecting any command handlers or callbacks you need. This wiring is where functionality happens. After wiring, run the app in the Replit console, watch logs, and exercise core flows. If errors appear, read stack traces, add prints or breakpoints, and iterate until core features behave as expected. To finish, set Replit to run continuously or use the web runner. Ensure the run command points to your entry script and the port is configured, because external integrations need predictable endpoints. Add quick health checks and a few unit tests so you can validate deployments easily. If things go wrong, focus on one troubleshooting tip. Inspect logs first, then confirm environment variables and dependency versions. Once you isolate the failing module, reproduce locally, and fix the root cause before redeploying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.